Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to appeal a Google Business Profile suspension. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Business Profile Appeal tool and make sure you are logged into the correct email managing your business profile. If it's the wrong account, tap Switch Account. If it's correct, tap Confirm. Next, click the drop-down arrow, type your exact business name, and select Search. When your profile appears, review the business name, address, and profile ID carefully, then click Continue. The next screen will show the suspension reason and indicate if your profile is eligible for appeal. If eligible, submit the appeal. After submission, a 60-minute timer starts for adding evidence. Click the Evidence Form link and upload supporting documents like business registration, address proof, or other verification files. Clearly explain what happened before and during the suspension. Keep your explanation factual and logical. After submission, you can return to the Appeal tool anytime to check the status of your appeal. The status may show submitted, approved, or not approved. Google will also send an email with the final decision. So that's basically how you can appeal a Google Business Profile suspension. That's it for this video. Thanks.